Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of my Robinhood investing series. Now, the market just closed and I just want to show you guys how my portfolio is doing. So, a couple updates since the last episode. At this point, I have invested $1,900 into my portfolio. Within a year's time frame, I am up $149, which is about getting close to 8%. And within a 3-month period, I'm up 7%, 1 month up 8%, and within the week, up 12.37% or $225, which is pretty awesome. And just for today, we are up 3%. And as you can see, it did start off pretty low today, but then I finally broke up out of 2K here and fell back down for a little bit and then went right back up. So let me show you guys some of the changes to the portfolio. I actually reorganized it a little bit just based off of the equity I have in each particular stock. So I did trade a couple stocks away from the last episode. As you can see, I have almost 12 shares of O, and I'll go a little bit more in depth into that stock in just a second, just to show you guys some additional information of why I decided to really go heavy on this. And I still have 2 shares of McDonald's and a share of the Vanguard S&P 500. So let's go back to how much, as soon as I can click it. So total loss and gain. So let's go over just to see. So I am up $44 on O. I'm just barely positive on McDonald's. And right now the aftermarket's going, so that's why you'll see the prices continue to fluctuate. And decent profit on the Walmart stocks and decent profit on Microsoft. A little bit negative on Boeing at the moment because I did go out of Boeing to be able to purchase more O, and I went back in. I left Boeing at about 141 and I bought back in at 146 because it looked like it was going to go on the upswing again, but unfortunately didn't make a good call there. But I bought Boeing earlier this week at like 128, so I was already positive almost 30 something dollars. So taking a $5 loss on that wasn't that big a deal to me, especially if you just go in and look at Boeing. And let's look at a 3-month period. It is currently down 56% of where it normally is. So I felt pretty confident going back in just to pick it up as a dividend stock because it does pay out a dividend quarterly of around $2. So my Delta is doing well. Disney is doing well. Bought PPL, which is an electrical company, pays decent dividends of around, I forget if it's like 40 cents per quarter. Ford is doing well, ET, and all these smaller ones that I decided to take a chance on. But let's go a little bit into O. O is Realty Income. And let's go back and look at a 3-month period. It is currently down within a 3-month period of 28%. So its normal range, let's go back to a year, is like falling between the low 70s and then at points it'll hit the 80s. So I thought this was a primo time to buy some of this stock because even I bought it at average cost of around $50. And if I could get some more stock, if it goes down to like below 45, then I might try to purchase an additional 10 shares if at all possible, because this stock, let me show you guys on the computer why I decided to purchase this stock. Now, again, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not trying to give you guys financial advice. I just want to show you guys how my current portfolio is doing. So let's go over to the computer, and I am on seekingalpha.com. As you can see, I have O looked up, Realty Income Corporation. And as you can see, just looking at the dividends, so you'll see that it pays a monthly dividend of 23 cents. And the dividend growth has been up for the last 26 years, which is amazing. So if you go back, look at the dividend history, scrolling down, you'll see that it does abide to what it's saying, the monthly dividend. So right now, I have almost 12 shares. So bringing over the calculator, so 0.23 times, let's just call it 11. So I'll be receiving $2.53 every single month as long as I hold this share, in addition to the fact that it could go up 20 something percent. So I decided to really go hard with this one. I sold a couple of shares just to be able to buy in. And I do like the fact that I'll be receiving this dividend monthly. Now, let me see if I could pull up some additional information here in regards to what this company is so I could share it with you guys. So what it basically is, it's a real estate holding company for a bunch of commercial businesses. So this is their website. You can't really see just due to the fact that I have the screen cropped. But like I said, go do your own research. It is one of the shares in the S&P 500. I thought this was a really good buy, but again, this is for me and my plans on building a portfolio with dividend stocks. So your view on this might be a little bit different than mine, but like I said, as you can see, it had a long range of just being pretty decent for a while, and then it crashed due to everything that's going on. And even if you go back, let's go check on Robinhood, how it looks on the desktop here, and just while that loads. So I was able to just pull off purchasing more shares. I have about a little over $600 invested. And at this point, I'm pulling up a $36 profit just for today. And it's only gone up, about $3 since I purchased it. So looking at it, you'll see that it was founded in 1969. So I try to look for dividend stocks that are over a 5% yield in addition to a decent history. And this one just fit all my criteria. And I just thought, hey, why not take a shot at it? So this is how my portfolio is currently doing. And today, very good day in the market for me. And like I said, overall, currently profiting $142 if I decide to just sell all my shares. Plus, I do receive some dividends for most of the stocks I own. So if you guys want to know anything specific about my portfolio, feel free to leave it in the comment section below, because I do like making these videos. It's a lot of fun talking about investing and just digging deeper into the shares that I currently hold. And just because I have the shares that I'm showing you in this video does not necessarily mean that I have these shares again in future videos. So like I said, videos for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on the internet that is happening to buy stocks on Robinhood. So if you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.